Welcome to the official Generation Old School YouTube channel. In this channel we post videos of old school cars and trucks. We meet with classic cars enthusiasts just like you to bring you the adventures you deserve. Not only we review each classic custom car in detail, but bring you the history and background of each vehicle. We also go on a street ride and test the vehicle's ability to perform above and beyond. If you like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on social media at Generation Old School on Instagram.
Have an engine and some old ass body and just put it together and you got something that works.
Exactly.
You know? Imagine this 100 years back, and in 10 years this is gonna be 100 years old, you know? So the fact that nobody's chopped this one really made me happy. That's one of the reasons I bought it. Gonna get hot.
This is cool, bro.
Remember that this isn't like there's no safety features in this. It's gonna get hot for a little bit and then we'll be done.
Now it's gonna get fun.
Yeah. Careful you touch this shit. I touched it yesterday.
What?
The exhaust by accident. Bro, died.
Diego, tell me a little bit about the car.
I found her just like this. Maintain her just like this. It was somebody else's creation. I still haven't found the person that created this monster. I love it. There's things I want to do to it, to change it, to make it more mine, more personal. For now, she's gonna stay as is until I got the money to invest in her and things that I actually want to do correctly. A new rag top would be nice. Or I was thinking of some acrylic ceiling or something like that, something a little bit crazier. I don't know. As for engine, I don't really have any plans.
What engine you have right now?
It's a 72 Cadillac 500 cubic inch. I wanted to do a modern take on it later on, get some fat tires, maybe some Vosens on it, make it a little bit more red. Keep it clean, man. Just keep it low. I would love one day to put airbags on this and just have it on the floor. I'd take off this mesh. Not a huge fan, it just jingles too much. And put like some plexiglass, some cool tint on it. If the original owner, builder was out there, hit me up. I have questions about it.
Tell me a little bit about the interior.
Interior, they kept it off of a, what do you call it? A Grand National. If I'm not mistaken, they kept the seats out of there. Out of some old school Chevy or something. I do want to get some old school BMW seats. Maybe like 70s or something. Some leather that you can't find anymore, those spring seats. Maybe at a junk or something like that. These things are a little bit burned out. The interior, all you have is metal, clean. You got your brake cylinder down here to be able to fix at it. The person put the battery back here right next to the battery, to the gas tank. You got some nice NASCAR, seat belts, drag racing seat belts. They got a roll cage in here. That's about it.
You want to take it on the expressway?
Yeah, bro. That's why I usually never take over 60 or 70. Like, let's say if it's raining, yeah, but at least you're going 5-10 miles per hour. Careful, people aren't nice about this shit anyway.
Really?
Yeah. That's why, like I said, on a Friday when everybody's in a rush to get home, I'll just go slow. Saturdays and Sundays, I'll take it out to go to the car meets. But usually if you go in a group, it's better. Not saying you have to be strong, but you have to be strong about turning. Because since there's no power steering, oh, the shit will be like, really? Yeah, you'll get muscles out of this. and women, older people, older generations appreciate it. Because my generation, they don't give a fuck.
They don't.
Not saying that not everybody, but majority of the people don't understand it enough. Scare people, it's just a, oh shit. No your little horn. Now when somebody installed it, it's kind of funny.
How much would it cost to put airbags?
I'm guessing like $4 grand.
I think so.
Yeah, the setup is like $2 grand, 200, 500.
Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, like always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow us on social media at Generation Oldschool. If you want to see more pictures of this awesome RATROD, be sure to follow Diego. The link is going to be down in the description of this video. Adios.